Hey, Bill Vasey here. Thanks for watching this use case video on ATTEWorx. During this video, we're going to bulk change attributes without opening drawings. After ATTEWorx opens, we'll target the sample project that can be found in the program data directory. ATTEWorx always displays the drawing name and the block name column. It's common to use the block name column to filter to a specific block. In this case, we'll target the title block information. With ATTEWorx filtered down to just the 5 drawings, it's time to go to work on the title block information. We're going to modify that information across row 1, knowing that the next move will be to copy down or drag down. Use the grid control to hover over the lower right-hand corner of any cell, and the cursor will change from to drag. The cells that are being affected will all change to red. Upon releasing the mouse button, all the values will copy down. Where the copy down wasn't appropriate, update those cells manually. When done making changes, click Save to process the transactions. Let's pick on a drawing and open it using the built-in viewer. I know, we said we weren't going to open drawings, but with the built-in viewer, we can see the results of the transaction immediately. Still haven't used AutoCAD to open the drawing. We'll just leave it at that. Okay, we'll use the reset filters to bring back all the data from that directory. After changing the border information inclusive of the revision level to 1, it makes sense to transition to the revision block within the drawings themselves. In these drawings, each drawing has 5 revision blocks pre-populated within the drawing. That makes it easy to attack the overall revisions in bulk. So let's set just the revision block and go to work on them. In this way, it's easy to see that the first row has been already populated, and we're going to attack the second row. So by using the column filters, once again, we can just focus on the second row of revision for all the tables in the drawing. Once filtered, focus on row 1. Populate the first row with information, knowing that grid control to drag down is going to pay dividends once again. All right, with all of those changes made, we'll execute a save transaction. And after saving, once again, we'll take a look at a drawing and see that the Rev 1 or the second row has been completely populated on this drawing and all the rest. All right, well, we did open a drawing again to look, but we did that in ATTEWorx. If we exit out of the viewer, we can go ahead and refresh and load the directory once again. And that brings us full circle where we started. Thank you for watching this video on ATTEWorx and how to bulk update production drawing title blocks and revisions in this use case. Have a great day.